Bé, avui és 16 d'octubre del 24 i com deia el Fènix de los Ingenios d'en Félix López de Vega Carpio, en hores 24 de les muses al teatre. Bé, doncs he sentit per YouTube una actuació del Dylan del dissabte passat, del dia 12, però passat dissabte, on tocava temes del darrer disc aquest, el darrer disc amb temes nous, Rowdy Route and Rowdy Ways, si fa no fa, i alguns clàssics seus amb arranjaments impossibles, que sempre ho ha fet això, de canviar, mai tocar una vegada, dues vegades la mateixa cançó igual. Darrerament ja la cosa és més extrema perquè fots uns arranjaments i uns meneus certament sorprenents, que a mi m'encanten generalment. Doncs bé, fa una versió del When I Paint My Masterpiece en Calypso que no m'he pogut estar d'aquí de fotre-hi cullerada. Rock on! All the streets of Rome are filled with rubble, ancient footsteps everywhere. You can almost think you see him double on a cold dark night on Spanish Stairs. I gotta hurry on back into my auto room, where I gotta take with Botticelli's knees. She says someday she'll be right there with me when I paint my masterpiece. All the hours I spend inside the Colosseum, dodging lions, wasting time. All those mannequins of jungle, hell stand to see them. All knows me a long hard climb, but still running at the back of my memories. Oh, to the road to the hill to following the back of wild geese. Yo, someday everything is gonna be smooth like a rhapsody when I paint my masterpiece. Sitting the wall in a dirty gondola, oh, to be back in the little for a local loca. I left Rome and landed in Brussels with a picture of a big old tree by my side. Clergy man in uniform, little girl pulling muscle. Everyone was still, no one had to hide. Newspaper man eating candies had to be held out by a big police. I know someday everything is gonna be different when I paint my masterpiece. When I paint my masterpiece. When I paint my masterpiece.